Happy Friday. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today and I hope you are staying safe. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the round 6 of the third stimulus payment, the third $1,400 stimulus payment. So there's a batch 6 that's being sent out now. We'll talk about that for those who have not yet received their stimulus checks. Then we'll also talk about the biggest news on the block right now that everyone is concerned about, and this is the Biden tax increase. So the Joe Biden tax increase is what's gaining so much momentum right now, especially across the board from wealthy Americans. So if this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. Consider subscribing now to join this amazing community to stay informed on the latest stimulus, economic, and financial tips for your financial wellness and success. And one more thing, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with other people to help them get this video quicker or get the right information. So let's jump right into it. According to this report that we're seeing right here from CNBC, a new batch of the $1,400 stimulus checks, which includes payments for people who recently filed their tax returns, is on the way. So if you recently filed your tax returns for 2020, it is on the way. So the key points here from the CNBC report is that the IRS and the Bureau of Fiscal Service announced yesterday, Thursday, that the 6th batch of the $1,400 stimulus payment has been sent. So this batch of payments brings the total number of payments to 161 million stimulus payments, and which brings the amount to a total of $379 billion. So if you have not yet received your stimulus payments, let us know in the comment section below, and be sure to pay attention to this. And also, these new checks include people, like we said, who recently filed their 2020 taxes, and that's being processed by the IRS. So just wanted to get this out of the way and make sure that if you have not yet received your checks, that you understand that your check is on the way if you filed your taxes. So this batch of checks basically accounts for around $3.4 billion, and they should go to 900,000 people. So 900,000 payments were included in this batch of checks. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's jump right into the Biden tax plan. So according to this report from CNBC and several outlets there, President Joe Biden has proposed a capital gains tax increase of 39.6%, and also he's also planning to increase taxes for the highest earners. So those, pretty much, if you make above $1 million, you should be concerned about this too. So for the highest earners at 39.6%, and the plan here is to use this tax proceeds to fund education and childcare, according to the reports, even though he hasn't fully unveiled the plan here. But he's on the move on the American Family Plan. So he's been pushing the infrastructure plan, and also the infrastructure package, and also different ways to fund education and childcare. So according to this report, President Joe Biden is seeking to increase the taxes, or to raise the taxes on millionaire investors to fund education and other spending priorities. So this is all in an effort to boost or overhaul the U.S. economy. And President Joe Biden basically will make this increase known in a more detailed format. That's what we're expecting. We don't have the full details yet, but the proposal will be unveiled here soon. And this is all part of the American Rescue Plan, the American Family Plan, Families Plan. The American Rescue Plan was a stimulus package that was passed a few weeks ago. So right now we're seeing this is the move that's getting people worked up. So this move right here to increase the taxes is getting so many families worked up, and I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. In fact, according to CNBC, the fears of Joe Biden's capital tax gains is putting so much pressure on the stock market right now. So some experts like Jim Cramer are saying that this capital gains tax increase proposal is discounting stocks. I want to get your thoughts on this as well in the comment section below. So Jim Cramer said that investors are unnecessarily selling stocks on reports that President Joe Biden it will increase the capital gains taxes. So capital gains is the taxes that you pay on investment proceeds. So profits that you made on your investments, you have to pay that. So there's short-term and long-term capital gains. But this video is not about explaining what capital gains are. So I'm assuming you already know what capital gains, what the capital gain taxes means. But basically, this is causing so much frenzy right now, and investors ahead of this news are basically selling their stocks, or basically just panicking. So this is something that we're seeing going on right now, and according to experts, the idea that that Biden has 50 senators who will vote on this is just fanciful, and frankly, you know, so this is something that Jim Cramer is not expecting to I mean, this was unexpected maybe from him, the way I'm reading this article, but basically I want to get your thoughts on this in the comment section below. So right now, this is what we're seeing. The taxes is getting so many people worked up, especially those who are heavily involved in the tax in the stock market, those who, you know, millionaires basically. So how will this Biden tax proposal impact the wealthy people? So here's the deal. So a lot of wealthy people we know do not make their money through W-2 income. So W-2 income meaning actively earned income, where you have to go to work and get a paycheck. So most of the wealthiest Americans do have investments, and these investments basically yield profits, and they pay taxes based on the profits, and that's the capital gain. So based on your investment. So President Joe Biden is expected to raise the long-term capital gains taxes for the wealthiest Americans to 43.4%, including surtax. So that will be higher than the top of the federal tax on wage income. So this is a huge increase, and I want to get your thoughts on this too, because there's mixed opinions on this tax increase. Some people are for it while others are not for it, but this will impact people who are on the other side of the spectrum, you know, the high end of the spectrum. So if you are making anything below $400,000, I wouldn't say you should be so worried about this tax increase, according to the reports out there, even though we don't have the full details yet. So you may want to just hold off and not hit the panic button yet. So this tax rate would apply on assets that are held in taxable accounts and sold after more than a year. So that's what we're seeing according to the reports out there. And this CNBC report also highlights that there are still many unknowns, and investors should not necessarily run off and start selling things. And that's what financial experts are advising according to this report. So if you are running out there selling off your stocks, you do want to make sure that you talk to your financial planner. This is the right time to get your financial planner involved. Get your CPA involved. Talk to the experts. I'm just bringing you this update just to make sure that you understand what's going on out there and what the administration is planning on doing. So this will help you better position yourself to make sure that you are making the best options that work for you and your family. So if you've gained some insight from this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with other people to help them get the right information. Hit that subscribe button too, and see you in the next video. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.